Hello students, welcome back to our next session, English lesson 2, Munish at school. Previous session we completed the explanation. Are you remembering? Yeah. Now we are going to do the exercises. The first exercise is new words. New words. First word, washed. 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 Number 2, DRESSED. 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 Number 3, breakfast. BREAK. Break. FAST. Breakfast. Number 4, reaches. 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 Number 5, teacher. 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 Number 6, compound. 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 Number 7, PAINT. Paint. ING. Painting. Number 8, CLASS. Class. ROOM. Room. Classroom. Number 9, FINISHES. Finishes. Number 10, HOME. Home. WORK. Work. Homework. Repeat children. WASHED. 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 DRESSED. 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 BREAK. Break. FAST. Fast. Breakfast. Breakfast. REACHES. 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 TEACHER. 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 COMPOUND. Pound. Compound. 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 PAINT. Painting. Painting. CLASS. Class. ROOM. Room. Classroom. Classroom. FINISHES. 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 HOME. Home. WORK. Work. Homework. Homework. These are the new words, children. Then we are going to next exercise. Number 2. Put. 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 A tick. 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 Put a tick or a cross against. AGAINST. Against each statement. Textbook page 18. Listen children. Put a tick or a cross against each statement. Textbook page 18. Number 1. Here is the box is here children. You have to put a tick or cross there. First sentence is Munish, M-U-N-I-S-H. Munish wakes, W-A-K-E-S. Wakes up at 6 o'clock. Read the statement children. Munish wakes up at 6 o'clock. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Munish wakes at 6 o'clock. Put a tick there. Then second one, the box. Second statement is Munish, M-U-N-I-S-H. Munish goes, G-O-E-S, goes to school, to S-C-H-O-O-L, school, with his mom. Read the sentence children. Munish goes to school with his mom. How is he going? He is going with his mother? No, he is going the school van. So the statement is wrong. Put the cross there. Okay, number 3. Box. Munish likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes to play number games. Read the statement children. Munish likes to play number names. Which games he likes to play in the textbook? Yeah, not number games. What is that? Chasing game. So the statement is wrong. Put the cross here. Okay. Then number 4. Box. Munish, M-U-N-I-S-H, Munish doesn't, D-O-E-S-N-T, doesn't have lunch at school. Read the sentence children. Munish doesn't have lunch at school. Where is he having the lunch children? School only. So the statement is wrong. Put the wrong here. Cross. Number 5. Box. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children sit on benches in the art room. See the statement children. Children sit on benches in the art room. Where are they sitting for the art children? They are sitting on the carpet, not on the bench. They are sitting on the carpet. So the sentence is wrong. Number 6. Sixth one, column. They have, T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-V, they have story time, S-T-O-R-Y, story, T-I-M-E, time, story time, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before The last bell. The last bell. Once again read the sentence, children. They have story time before the last bell. Is it correct statement or wrong statement? It is the correct statement. So put the tick here. Once again we'll go through these sentences, children. Put a tick or a cross against each statement. Textbook page 18. First one. Munish wakes up at 6 o'clock. The sentence is, statement is correct. Next, Munish goes to school with his mom. Statement is wrong. He is going in the school van only. So we put the cross here. Next, Munish likes to play number game. Munish likes to play, which game he likes to play? He likes to play chasing game. So that statement also wrong. We put the cross here. Next, Munish doesn't have lunch at school. Where is he having the lunch? He is having the lunch at school itself. So this statement also wrong. We put the cross here. Next, children sit on benches in the art room. Where are the sitting for art children in the art room? They are sitting on the carpet, not on the bench. So the statement is wrong. We put the cross here. Next, they have story time before the last bell. Correct, no? They have the story time, no? Teacher is saying the stories every day. So this statement is correct. We put the tick here. Isn't it, children? Understood, children? Next exercise. Exercise number 3. Complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete these sentences. T-H-E-S-E, these sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S. Sentences about. About. M-U-N-I-S-H. Munish. Textbook page 18. Number 1. Read this question, children. Heading. Complete these sentences about Munish. How is Munish? What is he? We are asking, we are getting some questions here. We should complete these sentences about him. Textbook page 18. Number 1. The school bus. S-C-H-O-O-L. School bus. B-U-S. Bus comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes at dash. Children, read. The school bus comes at dash. At what time school bus is coming? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Second one. Teaching. T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. Teaching begins. B-E-G-I-N-S. Begins after A-F-T-R, after the dash. Read the sentence, children. Teaching begins after the prayer. After the prayer. Then next, number 3. Munish. M-U-N-I-S-H. Munish is good. G-O-O-D. Good at dash. See, children. Munish is good at which subject he likes much? Maths. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. He likes maths. Then number 4. Munish. M-U-N-I-S-H. SH. Munish has, HAS, has his lunch in the dash. Where, children? Munish has his lunch in the dash. Where they are taking the lunch? They are taking the lunch in the lunch room. LUNCH, lunch room. ROOM, room. The next sentence, number 5. The last bell goes at dash. Read the statement, children. The last bell goes at dash. At what time their last bell, children? The last bell is at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Okay. The next, number 6. Mum, HELPS, helps him with his dash. The sentence read, children. Mum helps him with his what, children? Homework. HOME, home. WORK, work. Homework. Now this is completed. Once again we'll read, children. Complete the sentences about Munish. Page number 18. First one. The school bus comes at dash 7 o'clock. Second. Teaching begins after the dash. Prayer. Munish is good at dash. Maths. Munish has his lunch in the dash. Lunch room. The last bell goes at dash 3 p.m. Mom helps him with his dash homework. Understood, children? Yes. Next exercise is 4th one. Refer, REFER. Refer to the lesson. LESSON, lesson, and write the following in right order. Textbook page, same, children, that is 18. Children, listen. Refer to the lesson and write the following in right order. Textbook page 18. We are getting 3 words here. We should arrange these 3 words in the correct order according to the lesson. The words are, first word is story time. Second word is lunch time. Third one is play time. Three words are here, children: story time, lunch time, and play time. Which is the first? Jumble these words, children. First word is play time. They have the play time first. Morning hours only they have the play time. Second one, what is next one? Lunch time. LUNCH, lunch. TIME, time. Third one, what is last one? Story time. Story time. We arranged these three words according to the time and what referred in the textbook also. Once again, we'll read. Refer to the lesson and write the following in right order. You can see it in the textbook page 18. The words are story time, lunch time and play time. We arranged these words. The first word is play time. They have, this is before the lunch, that means after the prayer. Play time. Second one is lunch time. They have the lunch at lunch, noon time. Third one, after the lunch only they have the story time. So this order is once again play time, lunch time and story time. We arranged these three words. Okay children, now we completed 4 exercises children. Read the lesson well and write these exercises in the classwork and homework also. You read well children. Thank you.